Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a horizontal line on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then click on any place on your chart and you will see this circle. Now click on this icon here. And as you can see here, this is our horizontal line. If you can't see it here, click on the plus and we have here lines and we have here horizontal line. Click on it and you can choose now where you want to add your horizontal line. So let's say for example here, as you can see, this is my horizontal line. If you want to change this color, all you have to do is click on any place on the chart, click on this icon, click on your horizontal line, and you can choose the color from here. As you can see, click on save. And if we go back, as you can see, the horizontal line has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.